Via rail outlets. Where to find them? Battery at 5% and a long stretch of track ahead? Here's the no-nonsense guide to finding power on Via rail. In the corridor, Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa, most coaches now offer at-seat outlets, often one per pair of seats, sometimes with USB, so you can charge from your seat. On long-distance routes, sleeper cabins have outlets, and most coach seats include them as well. The catch is the shared spaces. Café, lounge areas are for snacks and scenery, not charging. Outlets there are limited or disabled, so don't rely on them. Equipment can be swapped, so treat power as available but not guaranteed. Before you travel, check your exact train in Manage Booking or the timetable details and look for the plug icon under Onboard Services. Travel smart. Bring a power bank, a compact splitter or longer USB-C cable, and pick a wall-side seat when possible. Those sockets are usually easier to reach. Quick rule: your seat or cabin, yes. Public lounge areas, usually no.